Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days, and I'm going to let you in on a little secret of mine. For the last several years, I've been giving away dollar bills with notes of encouragement. I've left them in restrooms and airplane magazines and sugar containers. I've left them in windowsills and tip jars and hotel room drawers. I've left them on buses and taxis and trains and cruise ships. Sometimes I leave one once a day, and other days I leave them several times a day. I always do it anonymously and don't wait around to see who picks it up. Since everyone in this world could use positive thoughts heading their way, today we're going to make these little pockets I've been using. I've been playing around with what to call them and still haven't figured out a great name. If you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. For this project, you will need colored paper, 1.5 by 1.5 printable labels, glue stick, scissors, dollar bills, and the template from debsdays.com. You can also find the supply list there as well. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. Print the template onto colored paper or cardstock. Cut out the pockets on the solid lines. Fold on the dotted lines. Place glue on the left and right flaps. I like using the purple glue stick, the kids' school kind. It makes it easy to see where I placed it and it dries clear. Fold onto the pocket and hold it just a moment to secure it. Decide what sayings you'd like to use. I change mine up every few months and I use a particular brand of labels. I have that template saved in Word. I have the recommendation with the supply list on the blog if you're interested. Print your labels and then place the label on and the money in the pocket. And enjoy dropping them off for others to find. If you'd like to see more easy craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next week with another project.